The story of the Christmas reindeer. Once upon a time, in a magical land far away, there was a reindeer named Rudolph. He lived in the North Pole with Santa Claus and his team of reindeer. Rudolph was not just any reindeer, he had a shiny, red nose that glowed brightly like a Christmas light. Every year, the reindeer would help Santa deliver gifts to children around the world on Christmas Eve. However, Rudolph often felt left out because he was different. The other reindeer would tease him about his nose. They would say, "You can't fly properly with that glowing nose." This made Rudolph very sad. One foggy Christmas Eve, Santa was getting ready for his big journey. As he checked his list and prepared his sleigh, he looked up at the sky. It was so thick with fog that he feared he wouldn't be able to see where he was going. The other reindeer were concerned too, as they knew the night would be tricky for flying. Just then, Santa had an idea. He called out, "Rudolph! Come here!" Everyone turned to look at Rudolph, and he nervously approached Santa. "I need your help, Rudolph. Your shiny nose can guide my sleigh through the fog." Rudolph was surprised but delighted. He had never felt so important before. With excitement bubbling inside him, he nodded eagerly. Santa harnessed Rudolph to the front of the sleigh, and with a twinkle in his eye, he shouted, "On Dasher, on Dancer, on Prancer and Vixen, on Comet, on Cupid, on Donner and Blitzen. Now, lead the way, Rudolph." As they flew into the night sky, Rudolph's nose glowed brighter and brighter, cutting through the thick fog. The other reindeer followed closely behind, amazed at how well Rudolph was guiding them. They flew from house to house, delivering presents, and each time they landed, the children would look up in wonder at the shining nose in the sky. Thanks to Rudolph, Santa managed to deliver all the gifts on time. When they returned to the North Pole, the other reindeer gathered around Rudolph, apologizing for teasing him. "You're a true hero, Rudolph," they said with admiration. "We were wrong to make fun of you. Your unique nose saved Christmas." From that day on, Rudolph was no longer just the reindeer with the shiny nose. He became a respected leader among Santa's team. Every Christmas after that, Rudolph proudly guided Santa's sleigh, showing everyone that being different is something to celebrate. And so, every Christmas Eve, as the sleigh takes off into the night sky, children everywhere look for a bright, shining light that leads the way. It's Rudolph, the most famous reindeer of all, reminding us all that our differences can shine bright and make a difference in the world. The end.